Welcome to the audio series for Triquetre Piano Programme Level 2 Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you will have received the worksheet from your Triquetre approved music tutor. This audio file is for worksheet TQP L2 M3. Colour in the dice face totalling the interval that you hear. Use tonic solfa to work out the answer. You may need to colour in 2 dice faces for some of the answers. The intervals we will use today are C to D, the second. C to E, the third. C to F, the fourth. The solfa would be Do, Re for the second, Do, Mi for the third, and Do, Fa for the fourth. Listen to the intervals, then colour in the dice faces to match the interval. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with worksheet TQP L2 M3. Please complete the worksheet and send to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Triquetre approved tutor, please send to info@staleybridgemusicacademy.com, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP L2 M3. This is the end of the audio file.